All right, the Sidewinder. It is a blue technically, and it's a little wet today, so we're gonna take it somewhat easy. This is our second run. This is the re-ride. But holy cow, I mean, when you think about trails in the lower peninsula, minus Marquette, I mean, this is about as flowy and bermy as I've been on. And the jumps are just kind of smooth. So I think if you're an intermediate rider and you want to get on something fun, that is gonna like really make you feel like you're getting bang for your buck. It's about a 20-minute climb up, depending on how fast you go, of course. But your downhills, I don't know, we'll see how long this is. So it's probably half an hour round trip on this if you really wanted to just burn it out. And we're doing 2 laps. Obviously, the re-ride, the free-ride is gonna come next time. But Boyne School Forest is around the corner. That's another amazing trail system. I got a video on that one if you've been to the channel a little bit. Boyne Forest is a really awesome network as well. And there's a nice jump. It's a little wooden with metal lips. So yeah, those jumps, I mean, I think if you're learning to jump too, they don't get much better than that from what I've been on around the area. And I consider myself an intermediate jumper. I still grab front brake sometimes, which I know is 100% wrong and a good way to get hurt. But also hard not to do sometimes. But yeah, the nice thing about this section is they really built it so well. It's like it's got some sand, but it's not super sandy. Just smooth. And just about the time you think you're done, see, there's front brake again, which will get you in big trouble if then you start uphill a little bit here. You think, oh, it's over, but you climb up around this little nub and then it just kind of goes down again. And then you're basically back to the parking lot. So I would say the whole rip probably take you, if you really want to knock it out, you know, 30 minutes, 25 if you're like a real fast climber, descender. We almost hit this on the way in, on the start of the trip, but we weren't sure how much rain it had. We've never ridden it. I mean, Anna's been on it a little bit for the women's clinic. She did, but hadn't been on Sidewinder. A little wet through here today. Oh, that's cool. Big pileated woodpecker. And that's it. Boom. Back to the truck camper.